Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video tutorial I designed to introduce viewer to Google Analytics for it means GA4. It's highlighted its transition from universal analytics to more advanced event-based tracking model. This video I explain how GA4 prioritize user privacy and data unification across website and mobile apps to provide holistic view of the customer journey. Google Analytics 4. In this video we know about mastery type. So introduced to GA4 and secondly we know about core building blocks, then installation method, then setup process. We need to know step by step, and lastly we know about reporting and analysis. GA4 Google Analytics is a Google's analytical tools. So first of all we introduce, then definition. It's could be privacy first platform, then event based measurement and cross platform tracking, like you have a website, you have a mobile app, then you can merge your data. Then key concept is unified user journey and user content compliance, and GA4 versus universal analytics like GA3. Core building blocks, event and parameter. It could be everything is an event, like your page view, source, and etc. And it's could be platform like context, value, currency, your URL, and standard and custom event. And you can measure structure like account, business level, property, website, or your app level, and data stream. You can design your data pipeline. I think it's good for every analysis and every analytical report. Then it's come to installation method. Google Tag Manager, it's recommended, and direct script, and Google Tag Manager better control, and marketer friendly and contextualized tag management. And direct script is it's come to JS JavaScript script, manual and header PHP installation, and low scalability. And it comes to CMS, content management system. It's come to WordPress, and about WordPress plugin, we can add your website plugin. And Shopify apps, it's could be very natural, and LMS, negative integration, like Graphy. I think you know about Graphy. Graphy is a very smoothly tool. And setup process, it's very useful. GTM configuration, and you can create a container, install code in head and body, verify. You need to verify by tag assistant. GA4 property setup, configure reporting and time zone in currency, disable enhanced measurement for customization. And I think every data need to, every website need to enhance measurement, and it comes to customization, get measurement ID. Connecting GTM to GA4, it could be a very good experience and a smooth way. Google tag configuration, manual page view, event setup, you can do, or you can track manual page or page by tab, as debug, view, testing, publisher content, I think it's great for you. And lastly, we the reporting and analysis. I think every data need to analysis, and second part is reporting, like dashboard, built-in report, and acquisition, engagement, and monetization, and advanced feature, and exploration, custom funnel, uh, GA4 demo account, Google Merch Store, and Google 36 360 degree, and it's a paid enterprise version. I think it's pretty good, but not enough for your analysis. No need to enough for your analysis. I think Google Analytics 4, it's come to very versatile way for every marketer. I think it's good. So in this video we know about Google Analytics 4.